Our story begins in the late 19th century, precisely in 1891. That's when George A. Hormel laid the foundations of what would grow into a multinational empire, the Hormel Foods Corporation. Starting as a modest meatpacking business in Austin, Minnesota, Hormel Foods Corporation quickly grew, and by the 1920s, it was recognized for its superior canned ham product, which was a market hit. Fast forward to the late 1930s, Hormel found itself faced with an interesting challenge. It had an excess of pork shoulder. What better way to address this than by inventing a new product? Thus, Spam was born in 1937, a product designed to utilize the surplus and offer a unique combination of versatility, convenience, and taste. But what's in a name? Well, quite a lot, as it turns out. The name Spam emerged from a competition hosted by Hormel, and the lucky winner was Ken Daigneault, who bagged a cool $100 for his contribution. It was this catchy, easily recognizable name that would soon resonate in households around the world. As we roll into the 1940s, we find ourselves amidst the chaos of World War II. This was a period when Spam came into its own. Its non-perishable nature made it an essential source of nutrition for soldiers, which subsequently brought Spam onto the international stage. Post-war, Spam's popularity skyrocketed, fueled by innovative marketing campaigns like the Hormel Girls, a troupe of talented female musicians that toured the country promoting Hormel's products. Over the next few decades, Spam began to weave itself into the culinary tapestry of various countries. From the United Kingdom to South Korea and the Philippines, Spam became a favorite ingredient in several regional dishes, showcasing its adaptability and widespread appeal. When it comes to milestones, Spam has had quite a run. Celebrating its billionth can sold in 1959, Spam was just getting started. By 2007, Hormel was toasting the sale of its 7 billionth can of Spam. Today, that figure has crossed the 8 billion mark, further cementing Spam's enduring global popularity. Fast forward to the present day, Spam continues to evolve, offering a variety of flavors catering to different regional tastes. Spam-themed restaurants, food festivals, and even a Spam museum in Austin, Minnesota attest to its significant cultural impact. Transitioning from history to the present, let's uncover what goes into each can of Spam. The ingredients are simple: pork with ham, salt, water, modified potato starch, sugar, and sodium nitrate. It's the precise balance and careful sourcing of these ingredients that gives Spam its distinctive taste, embodying Hormel's commitment to quality. The journey of each can of Spam begins at Hormel's state-of-the-art facilities located in Austin, Minnesota and Fremont, Nebraska. These factories are capable of handling enormous production volumes, ensuring a constant supply of Spam to satisfy its global fans. The creation of Spam is a fascinating process, balancing the charm of tradition and the efficiency of modern technology. The first step involves careful deboning and trimming of the pork. This is an essential phase where each piece of pork is meticulously removed from the bone, and the ham is hand-trimmed to perfection. Once this is done, the meat is ground into large batches and cooled to a precise temperature, preparing it for the next phase. The blending phase comes next. In this stage, the ground pork is combined with other ingredients such as salt, water, modified potato starch, sugar, and sodium nitrate. Each ingredient is carefully measured and mixed to achieve the unique flavor profile that is quintessentially Spam. Once the blending process is complete, the mixture is transported via a piping system to a high-speed assembly line, where it is filled into the iconic Spam cans. Each can is then sealed with the utmost precision, maintaining the freshness of the product and preparing it for the next step, cooking. The sealed cans are then transported to a colossal 6-story cooker. The cans are heated at high temperature, which ensures Spam's signature long shelf life and safety. After the cans have been thoroughly cooked, They are cooled, washed, and labeled, making them ready to embark on their journey to supermarket shelves and homes across the globe. Quality control plays a pivotal role in the entire production process. Hormel employs stringent measures at every step, closely monitoring the process to ensure each can of Spam meets the highest safety and taste standards. Packaging is an essential element of Spam's identity. The iconic blue metal pop-top can has been a cornerstone of the brand for over 8 decades. However, Hormel recognizes the importance of sustainability and has been exploring more environmentally friendly packaging options, striking a balance between brand legacy and environmental responsibility. So there you have it, folks. From its humble beginnings in 1937 to its evolution into a global powerhouse, the story of Spam is truly remarkable. It's a testament to how a simple idea, when executed well, can turn into a phenomenon that spans cultures and generations. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of Spam, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos.